Good afternoon, Sunny Revolutioners. Do you see what I see? I have 4. Oh my goodness, don't tell me. There's actually another one. Wow. If you can see him up on the line, I don't know if you can see him, he flew up there. There are 4 tropical birds eating, 3 on this bird feeder there, 1 over on this one, and then right up there, which I know it's going to be super hard to see, but he is actually walking towards the log for some reason. That actually makes a total of 5 of these tropical birds that I usually don't see. As a matter of fact, I've only ever seen 1 pair ever come here at a time. And I've been told recently that these birds actually come from a place called Sunken Gardens that's here in Southwest Florida, and it's about 4 miles from my home. There he is. He just flew in front of the window, so you got to see bird number 5 of the tropical birds. So as you can see, there's a lot of them. Oh, he just flew again. He's actually up in the tree. Let's see if we can get him. He's up there, but I don't know if you can really see him very well. He's not moving too much. Let's see if we can get him. There he is. He's right there. I don't know if he's gonna move though, because there are currently 4 birds, and they are pretty big. You can see the size relative to the bird feeder. I mean, this one right there, that bird is bigger than the bird feeder itself, and there were 2 on there. And then this other one where you only see 2 on this side, there's actually a 3rd one behind them. And then you have all the birds on, there he is, he just flew. That's bird number 5. So we have 5 of these beautiful green tropical birds, and I have been trying for quite some time now to be able to get footage of them because they don't come very often. There he is again. He's up there on he's up there on the wire balancing. I believe, though, he's looking for a spot to eat, and all the spots are taken because these birds are so large, as you can see, and they're taking up the available space of the bird feeders. Look at all them. How beautiful. I believe they ran away because there is a cat coming around the corner over here. I just saw a tail from a kitty, and I think he's getting ready to come over and see what he can have for a snack. The birds were a little smarter than him. Anyway, I just wanted to show a short video of some of the surprises I get from time to time, because those birds are such a pleasure to watch, even though they do make a mess. That's all for now. Take care and have a wonderful day. If you haven't subscribed already, I would greatly appreciate it if you did. The channel is Sunny Revolution, always looking for new subscribers. If you like the video, if you're interested in more bird videos, if you know more about birds and you have anything that you'd like to add, leave a comment below. If you hit the notification bell, every time a new video is posted, you will be notified, as I know YouTube does not keep up with adding them in chronological order. So hitting that notification bell will notify you of the next video that I post. Again, thank you for watching so much. Hopefully you enjoyed that little bit of video, and have a wonderful day.